If you're watching this, you received an email about some summer workout opportunities for basketball from Coach Blaze and I. We're from your child's coach throughout the season. And on that email will be some information that looks like this and kind of describes a little bit, but we wanted to give you a video tutorial of how to navigate through some stuff as well. So at the bottom of your email, you'll have 3 attachments. One is a tutorial, the second is a ball handling and shooting drills, and the third would be a workout chart. So this video you would have found under tutorial. The next link would be ball handling and shooting drills. So if we were to click on that link, it would open up a document that looks something like this. So these drills are labeled, so ball handling drills, 2nd through 12th grade. If we scroll down, then we see shooting workouts for 7th through 12th grade and shooting workouts for 2nd through 6th grade. Okay, we see all of those things there. Each workout is color-coded, and more about that in a little bit, but at the bottom of each of these, you see a video link to what all of this stuff is. So for example, if we see our stationary 10s, which is single ball handling, coded as the green workout, it talks about right leg, left leg, figure 8, front to back, side to side, and so on. And so students know what each of those is. At the bottom here, there's a link to a video. Of Coach Blaze performing this workout. So if we look here,
every drill that we do today, we'd like you to do
and it goes through with him describing how to do each of these workouts. So every one of those is linked through there. So if you aren't sure what the workout is, you can watch the video and it'll show you what to do, what each of these things is. Same thing with the shooting workouts. So if you're 2nd through 6th grade, our color-coded workouts, orange, purple, pink, and teal, and it shows you elbow layups. Click on the video link and it'll tell you what to do. At the very bottom of each of those columns, the video link showing you each workout. Okay? The third link, is a workout chart. So what we want you to do then, if you've completed a workout, is open this Excel sheet, this Google Excel sheet, which is just a spreadsheet. And notice at the bottom of this spreadsheet, there are 2 different tabs. The first one says ball handling, and the second one says shooting. So if I toggle between them, we can see the 2 different tabs, ball handling and shooting. So if you complete a ball handling drill, and this says June 1st through 7th, we'll change each day. So you can put your student's name here. And then if they completed, for example, the green workout that day, you simply put an X. Okay, maybe they did the green and the blue workout, put an X there on whatever day they did it. So if it was Thursday, they did the gold and the red, put an X there. And if somebody's already taken that spot, then you put the name and just type your student's name in the next column and put an X where they had. On the right here, it'll be set up to total how many different people have done that workout, or how many different workouts that student has done. On the second tab then is our shooting drills, and it describes in the videos what we would like you to do, how many shots, but you can put your name here, and then you can type how many. So if you did the orange workout and maybe that was 50 shots, so then you put 50 in there for Monday. Maybe you did the teal workout and that was 35 shots. And then it'll total on the right side over here how many shots you took that day. So find the next open column to put your name on, the next open row, I should say, to put your name on. Type in your student's name and then record the totals under which color and which day they completed that workout. Don't forget, you can toggle between the 2 things at the bottom. So we've got ball handling and shooting. Coach Blaze and I then will make each week, you'll see, so for the second week, you'll see June 8th through the 15th. So you'll see the next 2 drills, the next 2 charts for that week at the bottom. Again, you can just switch between them. There's also some other information you can read through in this email. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact myself or Coach Blaze or your child's coach, and we'll do our best to get them answered. Have a great summer.